Hi students, I am going to go through on how to get into the electronic code book. So you do have a link. I'm just going to go to 3m.ahima.org. All right, so you'll come to this screen here that states sign in. Okay, the username is NEI, all capitals, 001. Now the NEI, that stands for Northeast Iowa, so NEI all caps 001. The password is AHIMA, all capitals, AHIMA, #21. Okay, so it brings me to this page right here. Just make it a little bit wider here for you. So we'll use this next year. The thing that I want you to go to, see this little book right here in the corner, says 10, it's the red book. Okay, so now I am into the electronic book for, let it get a little bit bigger here. Okay, so this is awesome. So here we have diagnosis. This is drugs, external cause codes, neoplasms, which we'll be covering soon, procedures. So it really does work well. So let's start off here with diagnosis. You have this little box right here. So let's say that I have a myocardial infarction. Okay, so I know some of you are having some issues with what word to type in, but you always want to go with, let's go with the main term to do infarction. One nice thing, you can always tell if you type in wrong, or spell a word wrong. It'll turn pink. Green means you're spelling it right. So here with infarction, one nice thing I like about this, we have cerebral. Let's go to myocardium. And I'm not sure why. Okay, so we have infarction, myocardium. And then let's just say that we go down here to ST elevation. Usually there's STEMI. And then you need to know what wall. Okay, so one nice thing here, then if I hit I21.09, it brings up the tabular section, which has all my information in. So let's go to fracture, since we covered that unit. Remember, you usually want to go to traumatic. And then I'm going to hit comma again. I'm still in the green, so I'm doing well. And I'm going to hit ankle. So right here, I have ankle, and we're going to say that we are doing a trimalleolar. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on, we're going to say it's displaced. So SA2, and wait for my system to catch up. SA2.85. So here it gives me the different options. We're going to say it's of the left lower leg. So one nice thing here, I click on that, then it gives me my 7th character that I need. So I have that. All right, so we did already do the poisoning adverse effects. So with that, let's go ahead and say that I'm going to look up the drug lorazepam. So right here it is, lorazepam. And then over here we have all our different poisoning, accidental, intentional self-harm. We have adverse effect here at the end. So if I click on the adverse effect right here, and then if I click on that, was it the initial encounter or was it subsequent, A or D? So once again, the electronic book is nice, but I like students to be able to start off with the actual paper book. Okay, so external cause. Let's go ahead here and takes a little bit to catch up. So look at here. So we have accident. External cause can be tricky. This section isn't real big, but as you can see, we have tons of accident codes. So we have accident, any other external cause. We have different ones by, let's think of an external cause, fall. Again, so fall down. So anything in the external cause, your W, your X codes, your V codes are going to be in this section. Right. Neoplasms, once we hit that section, I'm sure you'll see me use the book. And then procedures is nice too. So with procedures with the PCS, so let's just say I wanted to start off here with resection. What am I resecting? Remember, resection is they're taking out the whole, if I go to bone, they're taking out that whole bone, where excision's just part of it. Same thing with resection, they're taking off the whole breast, where excision, they may be just taking a lump off. So if I go ahead and bilateral resection, basically mastectomy, it gives me the whole code. So once again, this is really nice, a nice procedure to be able to go in there. You can also clear all. So then you can, if I know it's the medical surgical, and I know at this point, then the body system, let's just say I knew it was the upper bones. And we're going to say that I just did an excision. I only took part of it out. And what did they only take part out? We'll just say the radius. We're going to say open approach. And then diagnostic or no qualifier. All right, so one thing to remember, you can listen to this video as many times, but with the book here, I have diagnosis. This little area here, you type in your main term. Over here's the nice tabular section. We have drugs, external cause, neoplasms, procedures. So just play around with the book. If you have any questions, let me know. But let's hope that you take advantage of the electronic book, and sometimes it'll speed things up quite a bit for you.